In cleaning your car's evaporator, make sure to close the aircon vents. Switch the fan knob all the way to the highest setting. Make sure that your climate control is in recirculation mode and the AC is off. Then remove the glove box. Check my video about cabin filter replacement to watch the detailed removal of the glove box and cabin filter of this vehicle. For this Mazda 3 or Mazda Axela, you can remove this lower panel by gently pulling it. It will just pop out. The panel has 3 locking clips and another one at the end, which is just being slid on. Same thing on the other side. Then put some rag underneath the evaporator cabin. This will absorb any water that comes out from the evaporator while you are in the process of cleaning. Remove this lower panel by pushing those 2 mini tabs. You just have to push this to detach this lower panel. And this part is just being slid on. Grab your in-can cleaning solution, specifically for condenser and evaporator coils. And start spraying 3 to 5 seconds intervally. Make sure not to overflow the blower. If you ever notice that the blower fan is full of foam and the fan couldn't spin well, stop spraying and let it run for a while. When it's empty, you can now start spraying again and repeat the process. Always check underneath the cabin for leaks. This is why I place several rags underneath the evaporator. After a few minutes, bubbles might come out from the middle aircon vent. Place a rag to catch those. Just keep repeating the process and make sure to keep an eye for leaks. Underneath the vehicle, it's normal that there will be amount of fluids with bubbles. It comes from the drain pipe of the evaporator. After you empty your cleaning solution, turn on the AC and let it run for 15 minutes to rinse the evaporator. The moisture from the coil will be used to wash off the cleaning solution from the evaporator. Then, turn off the AC and let the blower fan run for 15 minutes to dry off the evaporator. And that's how you clean the evaporator of a vehicle using an in-can cleaning solution. Thank you very much for watching.